Established in 2023, the DEI Committee has been steadfastly working towards creating a more inclusive and equitable environment within our society and beyond. We recognize that diversity is our strength, equity our aim, and inclusion our practice. Our committee has outlined 3 main agendas to drive our mission forward: promoting gender balance, ensuring better regional representation, and improving the involvement of the younger generation in ISCCM activities.
The vision of the Indian Society of Critical Care Medicine's Diversity, Equity and Inclusion, that is DEI Committee, is to enhance diversity and provide a nurturing environment of inclusiveness in the Indian critical care community, enabling members to achieve their full potential as professionals by eliminating barriers, including those which are related to gender, age, and religion.
While we have made progress in recent years, gender disparities still persist. The DEI Committee is committed to addressing these disparities by promoting policies that support the recruitment, retention, and advancement of women in critical care medicine. In 2023, in its 30th year, ISCCM had the first female president. In 2024, the first ISCCM position statement for gender balance in critical care was published. By fostering a supportive and empowering environment, through mentorship programs and workshops, we aim to ensure that all members, regardless of their gender, have equal opportunities to succeed and lead in our field.
Starting a DEI committee for ISCCM was like a dream come true. Now this is a part of our constitution. Let's join hands and make a consistent effort to enhance diversity, equity and inclusion within our community.
The DEI Committee focuses on achieving better regional representation. India is a diverse nation with different cultures and languages. We believe that regional representation is crucial not only for equity but also for enriching our collective knowledge and practice. The ISCCM has a policy in place for balanced regional representation at our national meeting Criticare. In addition, ISCCM hosts CMEs and workshops in less represented parts of the country. The DEI Committee is dedicated to creating platforms and opportunities for practitioners from underrepresented regions, thereby bridging the gap between urban and rural regions and ensuring that the voices and needs of all regions are heard and addressed.
At DEI Committee, our mission is to reach out to the members of the critical care community and include them into the mainstream by providing equitable opportunities, which would be at local, regional, as well as national levels. In addition, we wish to address the implicit bias within the critical care workforce, which may arise from factors such as gender, age, or region. We would like to do that through the regular activities that cultivate an environment that is unbiased, impartial, and mutually respectful and collaborative.
Another important agenda of the DEI Committee is to foster the involvement of the young intensivists and ensure that they are suitably represented. It is our responsibility to nurture their talents and support their growth. ISCCM has initiated a young speaker search competition to involve young deserving intensivists as faculty at Criticare. We aim to inspire and empower the young intensivists to actively contribute and become future leaders of our society through mentorship and leadership development programs. Let us remember that the strength of the ISCCM lies in its diversity. By embracing gender equality, better regional representation, and involvement of the younger generation, we can not only create a more equitable society but also enrich our specialty. Together, we can create a society that truly embodies the principles of diversity, equity, and inclusion.